For this install, all engine covers can be left in place. Remove the map sensor connector by pushing down on its locking tab, then pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor harness plug to the map sensor. Connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Disconnect the cam sensor by pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our cam harness plug to the cam sensor. Connect the cam sensor to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided.
I'm a fool.